Hello everyone, what we have here today it's HP E23 G4 23-inch monitor. Let's unbox it. We have in here HDMI cable, power cable, power supply cable, bottom of the stand, adjustable stand, monitor, connections, video port, HDMI, VGA, 2 USB ports. Assembly, it's really easy. Bottom of the stand, you just insert it, screw it, move the position, and just insert in. After assembly, our monitor is ready to use. You can move it up and down, lowest position, highest position, and you can tilt it. There are 2 extra USB ports on the back side as well. The picture quality looks really nice, clean and sharp. Have a eye saving filter for blue light. Picture is really sharp and clean. It looks really good for the home office or for the business use. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you liked the video, just hit the subscribe button.